Are you guys ready for tonight's talk? Woo! Nice. So let's welcome our first speakers, Paul and Peter. Paul is the inventor of the Limitless Stylus, a device that helps people with mobility challenges use touchscreen technology. And Peter is the director of community outreach for Adapt Community Network. During their talk today, they will be touching upon their processes when designing for the audiences who may have disabilities. There are many reasons why including people with disabilities in the design of technology is beneficial. We will explain why this is the best approach and how to most effectively do so. And let's welcome them.
Thanks. Hi, my name is Paul Tudisco. I'm from Adapt Community Network. And I designed the Limitless Stylus that you all know. And I'll turn it over to Peter now.
I'm Peter Cobb, and I work with Adapt Community Network. We are one of the largest providers of services for people with disabilities throughout New York City and beyond. We're now in Long Island as well. As of recently, we do everything from residential. We have TechWorks, which is a lending library for assistive technology. We have programs that go from preschool to kids to age 3, all the way up to, we have a woman 102 years old who loves to use our indoor heated swimming pool. So we have a wide range of options. But we're here today to talk a little bit about inclusive design and technology. Over the years, we've worked with a lot of different community partners, including the Cooper Hewitt Design Museum. We've worked with NYU extensively. We've worked with Google. We've worked with Microsoft and others in designing a variety of products for people with for impact people with disabilities. First of all, though, just a brief little thing is wanted to get across that a lot of technology that was initially designed for people with disabilities is beneficial for the whole population. Perfect example, who likes walking into a restroom and having to touch everything? Into a public restroom and having to touch everything. All of that technology was initially designed for people like Paul. It's great to be able to go in, put your hands under the faucet, the water comes out. Put your hands under the soap comes out. So designing for people with disabilities does have a broader and a wider impact. One great example of that is Cooper Hewitt and NYU partnered and wanted to make the Cooper Hewitt Museum more accessible for people with disabilities. They had a class on that, and they could have just brought me in there, but they brought people with disabilities in and saw them actually interacting with the different displays, which if any of you have been to Cooper Hewitt, it's a lot of touch screen, it's a lot of that, and finding out that people could not access some of those things, but there was an easy solution for that, that if you hook an iPad on the side of the touch screen, then suddenly it becomes a piece of museum display that everyone can work with. Paul, however, is the inventor here. So I'll turn it over to him again and let him talk a little bit about his invention and how that came to be.
My invention was, it came to me when I sat down and couldn't use my iPad. And there was no other device out there to use my iPad. There was devices out there, but they weren't suitable for my needs. So instead, I created the stylus so it can bend at different angles. I have different angles, so the end user could be comfortable using it while using their iPad, iPhone, or any touchscreen device for that matter. So the design process was really hard for me because I had to do many revisions and work with people with disabilities. If you don't include people with disabilities, how would you know if it works for people with disabilities? So I encourage you to include, when you're thinking of design, everyday designing, put a person with a disability in your design. because at the end of the day, I'm wearing a Bluetooth. At the end of the day, it was designed for people, typical people throughout their everyday life, but it helps people with disabilities to answer their phone because I can hold the phone up to my ear. So a Bluetooth really changed my life in that manner and in that way because I couldn't use my cell phone if I had to depend on people to use my cell phone every time I had to make a phone call with a Bluetooth. I don't have to depend on anybody to make a phone call for me.
And just, you'll notice Paul has two phones here, and one of those is your work phone, correct? He now has European distributors for his product. So he's not only selling product in the United States, but he's got a few companies over in Europe. One is Germany?
Yeah, one is Germany, one is Austria, and one is Greece at this time.
So it's really taken off. Do you want to show the?
Yeah.
We'll just have a brief video of what that shows you hands-on what the device does.
Yes.
It does. It should have audio.
Alright, we're gonna try this again.
Limitless Stylus is a stylus that can be used to help operate touchscreen devices. However, this stylus is not just an ordinary stylus. Limitless Stylus is optimized for users with limited hand mobility. The stylus is angled perfectly to fit the contours of the user's hand and has been designed for long-term use and optimal comfort. It also has a simple design that wraps around the user's wrists with two Velcro straps. Limitless Stylus can be used on any touchscreen devices to gain more control and precision with every touch. It is also extremely lightweight and durable, which makes it easy to use on a daily basis. Limitless Stylus will change the life of many people, especially those with physical disability.
I was able to text my game, surf, my device, like another before. I hope that this device helps more people just like me. This stylus brings precision to every touch.
Any questions?
Just wondering what your design process is like, the materials and stuff.
I actually use a 3D printer to build my product because that's an easier way to make it flexible. If you do it through a manufacturer, if one person wants a custom design, you can't do that with a manufacturer. So that's where the 3D printer came in, and it took me hours and months and years to make the right design.
Did you have experience with 3D printing before?
Not really. I mastered it in like a year or two because I had to. So it's kind of like, so I had no experience, so I had to master it a year, when I started designing my product, because I wasn't gonna make manufacturer do it, because it was a lot of customizations, and I'm still doing customization now to make, end user like myself capable to connect to the world.
One other interesting thing is technology for people with disabilities tends to cost a lot of money. So why don't you tell them a little bit about your original price point and what happened with that?
So my original price point was $45, okay? Anybody know what a type of equipment costs? Can anybody tell me in the audience a rough number how much adaptive equipment costs for people with disabilities?
100? 100's a good guess.
100's a good guess. So, my price point was at $45, like I said. So I try to make it affordable for everybody to use. And it wasn't selling. As soon as I raised my price from 45 to $79, it started selling like water.
Yeah, I think people just looked at it and then thought like, wow, this is legit. When it was $45, they were like, well, I don't know about that. But then when it was priced, still less than similar technology, but at a higher level, it's when it really took off.
Yeah.
Any other questions?
I was actually wondering, when creating the product, did you notice that you had any competition? And if so, what did that look like for you? What types of things did you look at as competition?
There is only one company that makes an adaptive stylus that's called enabling devices. So competition was very hard because they were a well-known company, and I didn't know if I was going to make it or not between that company and myself. I just put it out there and see if I can sell it. But it's happening now where they are approaching me to sell my product on their website.
Yeah, so he carved out that niche and now they're coming after him. He's thinking about taking a buyout?
They're gonna sell my product on their website, and they offer me a great number. Maybe I'll take a buyout, but they have to offer me a great amount of numbers to even think about buying me out.
And just one last thing is that the process hasn't ended. A lot of Paul's peers are passionate about art as well. So currently the process that Paul's going through is working with them on a new product, which would be
something that straps around the wrist of the user, just like my stylus, but a little bit different, that you could stick any size paintbrush into to make them paint independently as possible.
Any final questions?
Hi, I was just wondering if you had a story or a favorite experience about the part of the process in designing this where you were working with participants and people testing out the product.
Thanks for being the mic runner.
Oh, no problem.
So people testing out my product, like Peter said, I work with that community network on the side of my business. So I brought them in to tell me what the design process should, and I took it from there to do the design their way, and I tweaked it a little bit my way. So, they have great input, and the design process was hard, because to get it right, it's very hard to get it precisely right, but if you keep working at it and keep driving yourself at it, you will get it right.
Is there any guidelines, like there's accessibility guidelines on the web? I mean, I'm aware of those, but is there any other resources that we could use for that? And also if you are interested in testing things with disabled people, I don't know if there's a service or an organization that would offer that sort of thing? Do you know of any?
There's not necessarily an organization. I mean, you can certainly come to Adapt Community Network. It's something that we've done. I mentioned several of the groups that we've worked with over the years, but we have people who really enjoy being part of that process and really enjoy giving the feedback and everything. And you know, we're looking to continue, including the possibility of potentially hiring a designer specifically to design more technology for people with disabilities in the near future. So you can go to the ADAPT website. There's a general connect number. I don't have a whole pile of cards today, or I pass them out, but if you want one, I can certainly give you one before we're on our way up.
And Peter, you can always post a link on the event wall.
Okay, yeah, great.
Great. I'm gonna have Kesha move us along here.